Hey there, in this video, I'll show you how to log into Copilot. Let's get straight into it. I'll be showing you the web version, which works across all platforms. First, open your web browser and head to copilot.com. You can type that directly into the address bar at the top. Once the page loads, you'll see the Copilot homepage with a sign in button in the top right corner. Click on that sign in button in the top right. You'll see a sign in prompt appear, asking you to choose the account you want to use. Now select which account type you want to sign in with. You can use a Microsoft account, an Apple ID, or a Google account, whichever one you prefer. Click on your choice, and you'll be taken to the authentication page for that account type. Enter your email address and password for the account you selected. If you're using a Microsoft account, type in your Microsoft email and password. If you chose Apple ID or Google, you'll enter those credentials instead. Follow any additional prompts that come up. This might include two-factor authentication if you have that set up. Once you've entered everything correctly, you'll be redirected back to Copilot. Wait for the authentication to finish. You'll know you're signed in when you see your chat interface load up with access to your features. At this point, you can start typing questions or prompts into the chat box and Copilot will respond. Being signed in gives you a few extra benefits. Your chat history will sync across all your devices, so you can start a conversation on your phone and continue it on your computer later. You also get access to more image creation options and longer conversations. Need to create a Microsoft account first? You can do that at account.microsoft.com. One thing to note, all your conversations are automatically saved to your account once you're signed in, so you can come back to them later. You'll find your chat history in the sidebar once you start using Copilot. Thanks for watching. Give this video a like if it helped, and I'll see you in the next one.